Okay, recording.
Huh. Oh, really?
All right, that's good.
There you go. So I have to say thank you to Paul Reardon here at the Odds End for allowing me, first time ever, to be inside a straitjacket. Got some cool photos and a little bit of video of me getting out by accident, I mind you.
It was good. It was good.
I don't know if I'll be able to do that again.
Houdini look out.
Yeah, that's maybe my next career or something like that. But you've got some pretty amazing things here. A lot of Houdini stuff. You're a fan of Houdini.
I am.
An escape artist.
Correct.
Got handcuffs like there's no tomorrow, from what I can tell, and that's just here.
Right.
So do you have like a personal collection?
Yeah, the bulk of my collection is at home.
Nice.
The rarer items.
So I have to ask this though, because he's got some amazing stuff. In your collection, do you have a most prized possession? Something that you're like, I cannot believe I have.
I do. It's a pair of a set of handcuffs called the Mackenzie mitts, and they're basically metal mittens. They never really went into production. They were just for prisoner transport, and they slipped over the hands and had two locking points. And then the mittens were chained together and then chained around the belly.
Okay.
To hold the prisoner's hands this way. And this way, the hands were immobilized, so there was no chance of a prisoner grabbing an officer's gun,
right,
or handcuff key, or some other item.
Neat. So
Mackenzie mitts.
Mackenzie mitts. So
right.
Roughly what year?
They were patented in the 1920s, okay, and were produced in small runs through the 1930s. But like I said, never really caught on too much with law enforcement, so not many are
I
around.
wonder why. It seems like that would be something that, prisoner can't get the gun.
It's a very good question, and actually the Jacob Oliver Mackenzie, the fellow who designed these and invented these, early in his career, I believe he was a Kansas City officer. He did have his gun taken from him, and he was shot and bore the scar his whole life, shot in the leg. So that was the genesis for the idea of creating the Mackenzie mitts. But like I said, they were only for prisoner transport, and at the time, prisoners would be moved from point A to point B via the trains. And lore has it anyway that one of the concerns over the use of these things was that the prisoner couldn't use the bathroom without being
right,
unshackled, and the train lines had very specific rules regarding the shackling and unshackling prisoners on their trains.
Huh.
So, like I said, they never caught on for various reasons. I think it also had a slightly wonky locking mechanism too. So, Mackenzie mitts.
Mackenzie mitts and straight
jacket.
Yeah. Well, thank you
Oh
again.
yeah, you're welcome.
We will be back. A couple weeks ago, I did a video here at the Odds End in Avondale Estates,
Correct,
Georgia,
just outside of Decatur.
Yeah, and we will be coming back in probably about a week or two to do something a little special here for anybody who's interested in coming and checking out the things that they have on their shelves. They are macabre, they are antique-y. I don't even know if that's a word.
I'm not sure.
It is now. And thank you.